guys, happy Monday. Today is 19th of September and welcome to the blog. If you are new here, I'm Cristina. I am a freelance illustrator. This week, guys, I have a lot of stuff to do. So we have to make a video of YouTube. I have to continue filming the blog. I have to continue with the 100 head challenge. By the way, today is day 5 and this morning I had been editing day 4 video. So right now what I was doing before talking to you was uploading to Patreon, you know, this video, the full process video of today. And also I need to do a short video for social media. I'm going to continue doing all this stuff. But first I really need a coffee. I have been working since 8:30 in the morning and now it's almost 12 p.m. so I really need a little break and a snack and continue working.
Su féretro temporalmente en la llamada la cripta real de esta capilla de San Jorge, que se ha encargado mucho tanto ella como el duque de Edimburgo de que no le ocurriese.
Se le rinde a esta mujer, y es que es la reina, como decimos recientemente, de todos, y lo que ella confiere, claro.
Okay guys, I'm going to show you the results of day 2, 3 and 4. So this is day 2. This is the 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. This is my favorite, by the way. 17 and 18. 19 and 20. Also, this is also one of my favorites. I hate this one. Also, these two, they're not of my favorite ones. I'm happy with this one. Very normal. I love it and I love it. This is horrible. This is fine. This is, I don't know guys, mixed feelings with this one. I hate it, but I love the art style. Not that bad, but the face is a little bit weird. One of my favorites, very cute. These two guys are the ones that I really love more of this session, you know. I love this nose so much, and also I love this hairstyle so much. So these two are one of my favorites. And here are the first horrible sculpture of this challenge. I'm happy. I can't lie, guys. I thought I was going to hate it more, but I have fun drawing this guy, so it's okay. And here 2 more of the weird sculptures. And this is a K-pop star, you know, pretty cute. I don't know who it is.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. Do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight.
I ended up with day 5 sketches. I have to say that I'm very proud of these sketches, guys. The first one, as I said before, it's not my favorite. I mean, it's looking pretty bad, but these two, for example, they're looking fine. And guys, look at this. I never thought I could do, you know, this kind of references, so I'm very happy with this one. I'm very happy with this one here, and this one is not exactly how it looks, you know, the pose of this face of the reference should be more like this one. But then I have this one that I think it's my last favorite of this session, you know. I'm in love with this face, guys. You can see this face. Also, this guy, I think it's amazing. So yeah, I'm very proud of this. This one, it's not very well done. I mean, it's not my fab. I had a lot of problems with the face perspective. I think it's not that bad. Probably the face is not symmetric at this space. So this morning I have been editing a lot. I have been since 8:30 working on it. Right now it's 12 p.m., almost 12 and a half. and I have to continue editing a couple of short videos, so it's going to be fast. I think maybe in 30 minutes, 40 minutes I will be done. And the next step for today is draw. I really feel the urge to draw. For sure I have to draw day 6 for the challenge. So yeah, I think these are the plans for today. But first I think I need a coffee. So it's 7 p.m. right now and I just finished the sketches for today. I'm very proud of this one, guys. I don't know what's happening, but I think that I'm very happy with the result of this challenge. So I'm going to show you how they look. Good morning, guys. I have been doing this morning. It's now 11 a.m. So I have been doing the sketches I have to do because yesterday I couldn't make the sketches as I was busy making the video tutorial. So these ones are the ones I made today. I started with these two. I think they're looking pretty good. Well, there are some that it's not good looking, but I'm pretty happy of this kind of drawings, you know, guys. I love this man with a beard. I think this is Gandalf. I'm not sure. I think it's Gandalf or Dumbledore. Gandalf, I don't know. Also, I'm very proud of this one. And also I'm very proud of this one here. And with that, I mean, I love that. And this one here, I think it's looking pretty similar to the reference, so I'm quite happy with the result. More angry guys, this girl. I mean, I can see clearly a huge difference when I draw this kind of guys and then girls. Also, I saw I am changing a little bit the way I'm drawing things. I think this challenge is making me, you know, try other stuff that probably I will keep doing later. And this is the last ones. I already did that man and I love more the other version than this one. I think here I lost, you know, the elderly thing and this kind of Frankenstein. Not my fab, but the shape of the head, it's very weird. So yeah, by the way, this is the reference of the last one. So this morning I had to catch up with the sketches. Yesterday was a very busy day just working on the YouTube tutorial, so it took me all day long to, you know, film and then edit and, you know, publish, export and these things. So today I had to catch up with the head challenge. Right now what I'm going to do is edit the videos. I have to edit day 6 and day 7, and that's what I have to do now. And I have to, you know, take some pics from the different sketches. I have to post today day 6 and day 7. And well, I want to do a lot of stuff, guys. I don't know if I'm going to be able. At 7 p.m. I have to start preparing everything for the live stream on Pinterest, and I need to clean up a little bit the space where I'm going to do the live stream because it's a laundry room. So yeah, I need to, you know, hide things and that stuff. Also, I bought a new tripod. I'm going to show you right now. And yeah, let's start editing, guys, because it's 3 p.m. right now and I need to do a lot of stuff. So today for the live stream for Pinterest, I decided that I'm going to use this one. Basically, I bought it for this kind of things, the live streams, because when I do live streams on Instagram or I want to film the reels, I don't have like a very high tripod. You know, I have this one here that is the table one that I use for this kind of things. Also, I have this one is the one that I use for the reels, but I think I want to start using this one here. I think it's quite resistant, and you know, it didn't move that much. Hi guys, happy Friday. Today's Friday. I had been in the groceries this morning. You know guys, Fridays are mostly the days that I went to the groceries and I clean up a little bit my home. I didn't film any footage of that, so I'm sorry. But before going to the groceries, I have been doing the 9th day sketches for the... Also, by the way, I'm sorry. You can hear this mess. His Phoebe is playing with one of his toys, her toys. But yeah, before going to the groceries, I just sketched the 10 sketches for today, you know, the 10 faces for today. I can believe, guys, it's the last day. I mean, tomorrow is the last day, and I am only 10 faces left. I can believe it. I mean, I can believe it because I'm very happy that I didn't give up. So yeah, I'm very proud of my work with these faces. I really recommend you guys to do this challenge if you want to improve your art, and if you want to get better in expressions, in draw different kind of shapes, face shapes, and these things. So I'm going to show you the result, and also I am filming today the vlog for my patrons. You know, every 2 weeks I made a vlog, a very casual vlog. I mean, it's not like Patreon vlog, it's not like this type of vlog, but it's like today we are spending the morning together. So yeah, I'm going to show you the sketches. So these are today's sketches. A lot of beard men, a lot of weird faces, drawings. One of the things I'm realizing, guys, is that how much I'm enjoying drawing noses. Drawing, you know, different type of noses and shapes. You see. Also, this day was a lot with the teeth. You know, I normally don't draw teeth because I think it's very, you know, scary when I see a drawing with the teeth. But well, these ones are scary itself. I'm not very proud of this one, but it was super complicated to draw. But I did with this super older guy. Next we have here this couple of mugs or jars, I don't know. And finally these two girls. I'm very sure about this one, but I'm happy with number 19. But I'm realizing right now that I have things like misplaced. For example, the nose, probably it should be a little more to the left, to the right, sorry. But yeah, I'm quite happy with the results. So this has been all for this week, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Before saying goodbye, I want to thank you to my patrons because they let me draw. They're letting me making the 100 head challenge. And also I love to share with them all the processes I'm having and how I'm feeling. You know, I'm making like a small diary. Each day I wrote the results and I draw my feelings about each drawing. So yeah, I'm very sad tomorrow is the last day. So I plan to make like a voiceover and explaining everything, you know, like how I have been feeling about these 10 days. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, because this way you are supporting me and it's completely free. And yeah, this way I can grow a little bit here on YouTube. And say that, guys, wish you a nice weekend and see us again next Friday. Bye bye.